Go do some farm work. You know, they always like to keep it boring, but I'm like, you know what, I like to spice things up and get some nice fun shit to do, like catch snakes.
I like to keep it boring. What are you talking about?
Why are you here acting like we don't want to have fun too?
That's not true.
And then get out of the way. I'll just do cut for you. Quick backflip time. Back to business. But now, go get a pole to put in that thing and then fix his fence.